The DJI Mini 2 is still the king of the sky, especially here in the UK, where the new regulations allow you so much more freedom to do things like fly over people, zero separation from people, but also being able to fly in congested areas. Now, the Air 2S could end up taking that crown if they ever end up releasing a C label for it, allowing A2 CFC holders to fly within 5 meters of people with the 1-to-1 rule. However, in the meantime, the recent update which happened to the DJI Fly app actually helps out Mini 2 flyers in terms of making this drone even easier to fly. In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at some of the benefits of the new updated app. Hey everyone, my name's Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're going to be talking about the Mini 2 and the recent update to the Fly app, which makes this little drone even easier to fly. Even with the A2 CFC, the A2 Certificate of Competency, the current Mavic Air 2 and Air 2S can only be flown within 50 meters of uninvolved people. However, the Mini 2, of course, you can still fly with zero separation and in congested areas, which is fantastic. Okay, so let's take a look at the app and look at the major changes, which I think actually help make the DJI Mini 2 an even safer aircraft to fly, as it means that whilst your aircraft's in the air, you can actually make some key adjustments to the camera without having to look down for too long and press the 3 dots and everything else like that. So let's take a look here. As you can see from the on-screen here, basically what they have done is they have moved all of the camera settings onto the front page here. So now you're able to do things like check out the what's left on your SD card. You're also able to change your profile in terms of capture settings, so play with your frame rates, etc., and your resolutions. You can also adjust things like the shutter setting and the ISO. So this really does give you a lot of flexibility in terms of when you're in the air, you're looking down and you're able to look at things very quickly. Now, they have put them at the bottom right of the app. Although some might find the bottom right location for these new controls to be slightly awkward, for me, I actually like it there because again, you're able to take your right thumb off and press on a button and simply move the slider up and down as you need, and then simply go straight back. So the travel for your thumb is very, very small. So for me, especially once you've built up a bit of muscle memory and you're used to where to go for the different settings, etc., it is something which I think will actually make flying this little drone even safer. There are a few other changes to the app, including in the editing side of things. There's been a host of changes to welcome the new Air 2S, which you can of course benefit with from flying your Mini 2, and also things like focus lock, etc. So have a play and see what other benefits there are. But for me, this was an important video to make, just to let you know of some of the functions that have changed for anybody who either hasn't updated or who hasn't spotted them yet, frankly. So there we have it. That's today's very quick update. Let me know in the comments below what flights you've been taking recently with your Mini 2. I'd really be interested to know. Stay tuned to Geeksvana for more content coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.